Guys, today I'm gonna unbox the LOL toy. The series of this is All-Star BBs. A clue for the doll and a sticker, a water bottle, a keychain, a accessory, a dress, some shoes, and a doll. Let's unbox it. Oh, we got our first surprises. This is our clue. Home run. I guess that. Okay. Nothing so far. So let's keep peeling. Oh, we have some sparkly shoes. Okay, oh, the next one is a hat. So cute. The next one is the sparkless bottle. Let's open this one. Oh, this is a shirt. Now let's put on her shoes. And then her bottle. But we have to first put on her hat. Let's put her hat in. So here's the card, and her name is Angel. So here is the thingy that shows all the players. Please like and subscribe. Bye! Hope you liked the doll.